Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, lived a young shepherd boy. Every day he watched the sheep, but the job felt lonely and dull. One day, the boy thought of a trick, a way to bring some excitement.
Wolf! Wolf! A big wolf is chasing the sheep!
The villagers ran quickly to help him.
I fooled you!
Where is the wolf?
Don't lie again, boy. Someday you'll regret this.
Wolf! Wolf! It's even bigger this time!
Again, the villagers rushed to his call.
But again, there was no wolf.
But one evening, a real wolf came from the forest. The sheep scattered in fear.
He's lying again. We won't be fooled.
The boy tried to fight back, but he was too small.
If only I hadn't lied, they would have believed me.
By the time the wolf left, many sheep were gone.
From that day on, the boy was filled with regret.
He realized trust, once broken, is hard to earn back.
He never told lies again.
Moral of the story: never tell lies, or no one will believe you when it matters.